Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Apple Watch SE second generation with an iPhone. Let's get started. So, the first thing that we will need to do is download the Apple Watch application from App Store. Sometimes it's just enough to put your phone near your Apple Watch, but unfortunately in my case it didn't work. So I have opened this application and the first thing that we can see right here is this menu and button Start Pairing. Click on it and click Start again. Then choose Setup Myself, and now on your Apple Watch will appear a little QR code which we will need to scan with our phone. You can also see appear this animation on your phone. I will swipe it down and scan the QR code. And now the next message that we get, that's your Apple Watch is paired. Now we are given two options if we want to restore from backup or set up as new Apple Watch. I will choose set up as new Apple Watch, and now you would need to choose your wrist preference. If you are left-handed, it will be better if you will choose left, and if you are right-handed, right. I will choose right and click continue. Then we would need to choose the digital crown orientation. If you would like the digital crown be on top or on bottom, I will click top and click continue. And now we would need to wait a little while. The next thing that we can see right here is Watch Analytics, which says help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your Apple Watch. You can choose share with Apple or not share. I'll pick the second option. Now you can set up a passcode on your Apple Watch. You can choose create a passcode, add a long passcode, or don't add passcode at all. I will choose this option and don't use passcode. Here, you are able to set how big you want to see the text on your Apple Watch, and also you'll be able to see this demonstration. If you will change something, the demonstration will change also. And here, if we will move this dot to the right side, the text will be smaller and to the left side bigger. And we can also enable bold text. After you are done, click continue and click OK. Then we would need to add some fitness and health information like date of birth, sex, height, and weight. Let's do it. I have added the information, and also right here you can see this wheelchair function. And it says if wheelchair setting is turned on, a paired Apple Watch can track pushes and add to your move ring. On iPhone you can close your move ring with any app that adds workouts to health. So I will click continue and disable road tracking. Then click continue and also continue. Now you have successfully set up your Apple Watch, and after you will click OK, you will see this menu in which you can manage the settings of your Apple Watch, and also your Apple Watch is ready to use. When you will click start, you will get a short guide how to use your Apple Watch. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.